Do you want to know how to make money on your phone for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many people have asked me what the best and easiest free ways to earn from your phone is, and in this video I'll share 7 methods that you can use no matter your background or your skills. So before I get started with the 7 options, I just want to first make it clear that this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme or anything like that, because that just doesn't exist. So if that's what you're looking for, no need to look, because this will not be a solution. In general, you will just end up getting scammed online, because it really is not possible to get rich without any effort or overnight and things like this. But anyways, these methods are real methods you can use without any investment to make some extra money. A few of them can even potentially build up to a really good income. So which options are for you, that really depends on your preferences. You can use as many of them as you want to, as few of them as you want to. I'll show different approaches, so there is something relevant no matter what your interests are. So therefore it's not a prioritized list, but I'll now go over it and then you can choose yourself which options are the right for you, and I will leave links to more information below. So the first option I want to show you is to become a tutor, because there's a lot of people that are looking for help for, for example, school assignments, all kind of things online. And you can see, for example, on Fiverr now that there's a lot of people that are offering different positions, or they are helping with tutoring, and they have quite a lot of reviews, which means they have a lot of people looking for this kind of help. But this is just one example. There are many freelance platforms that are specific tutoring apps, and the reason it's on this list where you can do it on your phone is that in many cases, for example, if it's a one-on-one phone or text messages, often it's like small easy answers. You can do it over your phone. If it's longer sessions, you can also do it over your phone, for example, if you're teaching language or something like that. So this can definitely be an interesting option, and it can potentially also build into a full-time income if that is what you're looking for, and if you take the time to build up a proper reputation. So the next option is to buy and sell crypto. You can set this up automatically if you use the right apps. I'm right now on crypto.com's website. I have a video where I show how you can set it up with the app. The reason I'm there using that one is because it's an app that is super easy to use, even for beginners. I will leave a link in the top corner here so you can also check out exactly how that works. Of course, you can say like, this is not free. Well, it isn't if you want to trade crypto. Of course, you need some crypto, but I also have a lot of videos about free ways to earn crypto, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. I also leave some links below there, so you can use those options, withdraw to an app, for example, like crypto.com, that makes it possible to automatically sell and buy. You can say like, when you're at this price, you sell, then you take the profit. When you're at this price, you buy, and you can set it up like that very easily. Of course, this is not something I would recommend if you are a complete beginner, because it does require some knowledge and understanding of the crypto market, but it can be a great opportunity. And if you don't want to invest, then there are plenty of ways to also earn some extra crypto for free. Take it in there and then use that to grow it further. And the great thing about using an app is that the crypto market moves fairly quickly, so you can just easily keep an eye on it on your phone. So the next option is to use survey apps. For example, you can use FreeCast or Swagbucks. That's 2 of the very popular ones, but also on my website I have a list of, you can see, close to 30 paid survey apps that I have been paid by myself that I know works. So if you like taking paid surveys and answering questions, there are a lot of options to earn from your phone by doing that. I will also leave a link to this list below, because that is one of the easiest ways to earn. It will not make you huge profits, but in certain countries you can find quite a lot of surveys and then earn some nice extra money on the side by using this as a method to earn. Next option is to use what's called lock screen apps, or where you just simply have an app installed, but unlocking you will earn every time. This is one of the lowest paying options on this list. I just want to make it clear, but it is quite easy, and a lot of people have asked me about, so therefore I wanted to include that also. As you can see right now, I'm on my website. I have a list of the best of these lock screen apps. I will also leave a link to that below, so you can go there and see more about which options. Just do it with the right options. This will not alone make you a lot of money. It's more like a tiny little extra thing. We're now more than halfway through the list, and it would be great if you could just take 1 second to like this video, because it can help it to be seen by more people, and I would definitely appreciate that support. So the next option is to earn by playing games on your phone, and there are some great legit apps that will allow you to do this. Again, it will not make you rich or anything like that, but it can be a really fun way to earn some extra money. Right now I'm on the screen on my YouTube channel where I have a video about the best legit game apps. I will leave a link also in the top corner and below where you can check that out. A lot of people have used the options in that video to earn some extra money by playing, so check that out if you like playing games on your phone and want to get paid at the same time. Another great option to make some extra money from your phone is by testing apps, and there are different user testing platforms where you can get paid to test, for example, apps and websites. So of course, if you join the ones that offer app tests, then you can do it from your phone, and there are quite a lot of platforms like that. And the great thing is that usually the tests are fairly small and they pay quite good money for something that can be fun as well. You just usually test something and then you record your voice sometimes, so you need to fill out a questionnaire afterwards. Usually fairly easy. It sometimes takes time to find the test you qualify for, but if you join the right platforms, live in countries where there are options, then it can give some nice extra money on the side. Also on my website I have a full list of the best user testing platforms you can join. I will leave a link below so you can check that out if you think this sounds like a great option for you. The last option I want to go over is passive income apps, and this means apps that you install and you do not have to do anything extra. I know it sounds a little bit weird that you can earn by doing that, but it is actually possible. It will not make you huge earnings, but you do not have to do anything. Literally, you do not have to do anything extra once the different apps have been set up. And I also here have a list on my website. I don't want to single out one single one because there's quite a lot of different ones. So instead, I just wanted to say it as an option. This can work both for iOS and Android devices, and I will leave a link to this full list below also so you can go and check that out. So as you can see, if you're looking for ways to make money from your phone, there are quite a lot of different options, no matter what your interests are or how much you want to earn. You just need to find the right options for your goals and the effort you're willing to put in, and then it's really great that you have the option to earn from your phone because it's just so convenient. And since so many people have asked me about this, I decided to make this video and hope that it has helped you and given you some inspiration. I will leave links to more information about all the options I mentioned in this video so you can go deeper into the options that you think sounds like the right options for you. But no matter what, I hope the video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.